JP.
Life alone is just a bitch. Sipping lean, I be fucking with the medicine. OMG, I hope you see the state I'm really in. I'm fucking hard, talking to the demons in my head. I need some love, give me hope, can you treat me right? He's still my brother, yeah, I hope that he makes it out. We've been through this life since we was like little kids. I can lie, I hate how we really live. Yeah, can't change the life that I chose, nigga. I came up from the streets, living like a thug, nigga. I can't even lie, if it wasn't the life that I lived, I wouldn't be here, nigga. Maybe I would have died. I just miss the niggas that I came up with. I just miss the niggas that I used to gang with. We're in different dimensions, yeah, we don't see each other anymore.
Baby, my heart's been broken. Baby, why it's hard and you hear me? Baby, my heart's been broken. Baby, why it's hard and you hear me? Yeah, heart's been broken. Baby, why it's hard and you hear me? Heart's been broken.
Manje ngifila dizini, mele ngibhelele usisi, ngimceleleni ba umjolo ngidlulile, buze usibongile, bangihethile, moya uphukile, bangijolele, endele, welele, baphakele upelepele, nawe usazozwa ntwana yami aphume emjolweni, kuba buhlungu ngathi awazi ukuthi uphuma.
JP.
Sibongile umkhubile, angisazi nenhliziyo yami. Sibongile umkhubile, angisazi nenhliziyo yami. Inhliziyo yami, angisazi inhliziyo yami. Inhliziyo yami, mina angisazi inhliziyo yami.
Inhliziyo yami has been broken. Baby, why it's hard? Inhliziyo yami has been broken. Baby, why it's hard? Inhliziyo yami has been broken.